Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix something went wrong YouTube on iPhone in iOS 16.6. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Enable and disable aeroplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Enable aeroplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Solution number 2. Sign out YouTube and sign in back. Open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Tap on icon. Tap manage your Google account. Tap use YouTube sign out. And re-sign in back. Solution number 3. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset network setting. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 4. Change DNS server. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap Wi-Fi, tap icon, scroll down, tap Configure DNS, tap manual, delete DNS server and add new DNS server, tap on save. Solution number 5. Restart your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general, scroll down, tap shut down. Now slide it to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Thanks for watching this video.